In this video, I'll show you how to limit past posts on Facebook so that older posts shared with the public or friends of friends become visible to friends only. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. On the Settings page, look for the Audience and Visibility section. Here, tap on Posts. Once the Post Settings page opens, find the option that says Limit Who Can See Past Posts. Tap on this option to continue. Facebook will show you a short explanation that this feature changes the audience of your old public posts and posts shared with friends of friends to friends only. If you want to apply this change, tap Limit Past Posts. You may be asked to confirm your choice, so tap Limit Past Posts again to confirm. After this, your older posts will automatically have their audience changed to friends only, helping you increase your privacy. Keep in mind that you can still edit individual posts later if you want to change their audience again. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.